special presents.
What is it?
Message. Is it a book? Show mommy. Yara, show me your face. Will you give mommy a smile?
Want to close your present?
Doesn't work that way. Here's another one to open.
These are from your Grandma Johnson.
Wanna open it?
Sure, that's for your birthday, honey. It's a special present. Why don't you turn and face mommy and daddy?
What is it? I think there's balloons in there. Are those balloons?
Show mommy. Look at mommy, Yara. Yara, look at mommy. No.
Should we open the balloons?
Okay.